Welcome to GreenFlash Technologies. Our microbial products are creating an agricultural and environmental revolution. You know, every company has a story, whether it's starting in a garage like Microsoft, or like us at GreenFlash when we opened our doors in January 2004. This is our CEO and Chairman of the Board, Jack DiStasso. Dr. Gail Hima is our Chief Science Officer and Managing Board Member, and he's the genius behind our incredible products. This is me, Barb Donahue, Chief Operations Officer and Managing Board Member. Harlan Chandler, our Environmental Tech, keeps everyone in the field on the straight and narrow with information dissemination. And David Bunch, our Operations Manager, is in charge of our warehouse, product distribution, shipping, and trade shows. These are our corporate offices in Costa Mesa, California. It's 2 stories high and has a huge array of offices and warehouse space, as well as a fulfillment room for our smaller orders. For larger orders, we outsource to a fulfillment house. Our products are manufactured in 5 plants across the United States, and something very important to keep in mind is that none of our products are genetically engineered. We use only naturally occurring microbes in our products. Since the beginning of 2004, we have tested and retested our products in a variety of venues, including laboratories and in the field. After several years of due diligence in the marketplace, we found niches in which we excelled. Our niches include salt detoxification, agricultural and landscaping enhancements, animal waste remediation, odor remediation, and grease, oil, and PHC remediation. If you're viewing this video and are not on our website, please take time to visit our site. It's always being updated because we always have a lot to say, especially about the strides we're making. The next few pages are very small screen captures of our website pages that you probably can't read, but you can see them in detail at our website at www.greenflashtech.com. Our pages have headers to make it easier for you to find what you want, from products to news to our mission statement and a lot more. For instance, animal waste remediation. A lot of people don't realize how important this technology is to all of us. Did you know that in many cases, animal waste that goes into the lagoons and pits on animal production farms is left untreated? And then it's applied as manure on the crops that are fed to the animals that we eat and on the crops sold for human consumption. Our hard-working farmers haven't had a lot of choices up until now to treat their lagoons and pits, and that's why animal waste has not been treated to negate toxicities. Think about this. When the waste, or what we call manure, is left untreated, there are toxins in the waste. Toxins like growth hormones, antibiotics, phosphorus that's fed to swine, and a whole lot more. All these toxins can seep through the bottom of the lagoons into the groundwater. Well, you know, water travels, so there's a strong possibility that the water from an animal waste lagoon in Minnesota is traveling all the way down to Colorado, Nevada, or even Arizona. What we at GreenFlash do is neutralize the toxins in the animal waste. Our treatment, which we call Green Lagoon, helps farmers save a lot of money. Our technology liquefies the built-up sludge at the bottom of the lagoon. That gives it more space in the lagoon, and it saves time and money in agitation and pumping, and it keeps our groundwater safe. It's an incredible microbial process. Go read about it on the webpage. Our brick system is amazing. Brix is basically a measurement for the sugar amounts in fruit juices, wine, soft drinks, and within the sugar manufacturing industry itself. Viticulturists who use our Brix system have told us that their grapes are sweeter, larger, and they have a longer shelf life. Farming clients have told us about their raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries doubling and tripling in size. Our technology is amazing and something you do want to learn about. Odor remediation. Our products fall into several categories. Our main product is known as a formula number 222, and we name it Odor Out 222, CamelFresh 222. And they're microbial products that negate organic odors. They don't mask them. They totally get rid of them. Not only do we have products for individual or residential use, but we also work with business and commercial odors too. Farming families love us. Pet owners, realtors use 222 before showing homes to get rid of odors. Hotels and motels can negate cigar and cigarette smoke in minutes rather than days. And they stop losing money because of having to air out the rooms consistently. Our odor remediation technology can even be used in the sewer and wastewater industries. Cities love what we can do. We are very proud of our unique salt detoxification technology. To the best of our knowledge, we are the only company in the entire world to remediate salt in soil. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it means we have a lot of salt in soil that keeps flowers and trees and crops from growing. Salt infestation is known worldwide as the White Death because it's a very serious issue. Do you remember the horrific tsunami that hit Sri Lanka December 26, 2004? Well, it caused giant, deadly waves to crash ashore in nearly a dozen countries. And the ocean water ran 5 or more miles inland. It affected the soil, and it made it useless. Before salt detox technology from GreenFlash, it would take years to bring that soil back to where it can effectively grow healthy crops. With our salt detox, it takes weeks. Now, we don't get rid of the salt, we bind it. In other words, our technology surrounds the salt molecules and makes them harmless. That way, crops, flowers, and trees can grow. You definitely want to read about what we do because more than 23% of our land worldwide is salt infested. If that salt in the soil was neutralized by our process, think about all the food that can be grown on that land. How many starving people can be fed? Oh, on this page, there's several videos that will explain how our process works, and some other processes too, and how they worked on the vineyard of Fundo Sacramento in Lima, Peru. You'll meet Roddy Pacheco, the owner of the vineyard, who's talking to me, to our CEO Jack DeStasso, and to Dr. Gail Hima, the genius behind our technology. There's a lot more on our website that's going to interest you, including easy ways to contact us via our mailing address, our phone numbers, and our emails. Oh, something very important for you to remember. Each of our advanced technologies is tailored to your needs. They're individualized for the type problem that you have, because we take the time to learn about your needs and your problems. Not everyone's the same, so that means not every problem is the same. When we talk to you and we ask you questions about the problems you're experiencing, we do that because we care about the end result, just like you do. We don't just band-aid your problems, we overcome them. Thanks so much for your time. We really look forward to hearing from you. And have a great day.